difference between the adaptive style and what's the difference between the natural. So the adaptive style is the behavior that we feel at that moment that is going to make us the most successful in that particular situation. Okay, so the adapted style is the behavioral traits that you think are going to make you most successful in that particular situation at that moment. Okay, so again, if I needed to adapt over to being a C because I was doing my taxes and I wanted to not just do it, but do it right and do it correctly with mad accuracy, I put my C hat on, right? So that'd be putting my C hat on. So I would adapt because that's going to make me the most successful in that particular situation, right? So that's what we are doing. That's what the difference between the natural and the adaptive.